grabe siya makatapak. Oh, sa dibdib ko. Ming koy. That's painful how you're so heavy. Is that final? No. It's a joke. I'm thinking. I think I will stay here. I will try. How comfortable it is. I think the other side is more nicer. I will try. But I will think first. Yeah. Where is the nice spot? Okay, let me try here. Okay. It's small. It's comfy. I will tuck myself here in this small corner. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so decided. Yeah. Right here. Yes. Perfect. Oh my god, here we go. The struggle of every night. Elias, my boy.